Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss a topic from cloud computing, that is AWS, which stands for Amazon Web Service. It's basically uh, a presentation where we are going to explore various concepts of cloud computing and various services that the AWS provides, and also how we can build, secure, and optimize our cloud applications. So let's get into the next slide. Now, what are the basic things of cloud computing? That is cloud computing for fundamentals. That is on-demand resource, pay-as-you-go pricing, global reach. On-demand resource. In cloud, you are able to access the computing resources like servers, storage, GPUs, and various database storage spaces based on our need. So basically, it reduces the cost of investment and also allows scaling of our cloud application based on the our use or our need. As our traffic increases, we can increases the various resource. As our traffic decreases, we can reduce the resource. And pay as you go pricing, it's basically we need to pay for what we use. For example, let us consider there are 10 different GPUs and we use only 2 GPUs. So we are going to pay just only for the 2 GPUs. And for example, let us consider there is 500 TB of storage data. We have used only 100 TB of data, then we are going to pay only for that 100 TB of data that we use, and it can be in the form of monthly subscriptions and also long-term contracts. And global reach, it's basically it provides vast network of data centers around the world, which enables low latency, that is very quick and high speed transactions between servers to storage to the host or also applicant users. Next, we have uh, the various services that the AWS provides and which solutions. The first one, it provides service, that is computing services like EC2 and Lambda, which provides processing power for your applications. These are basically high speed, high architecture and complex GPUs and servers that can be used to process our various data, etc. And for storage, they are like S3 and EBS. S3 stands for S3 is basically S3 buckets where the data is stored and we can retrieve data from it. And databases services like relational database services and Dynamo databases, which are used to manage various variety of workloads. And for networking, it's basically it has services like VPC to route between S3 and enable secure communication between your user application, our application, and the user's application. So next we have the computing services. As I told you in detail, we are going to see here. The first one, EC2, which is Elastic Cloud Compute. So basically it is a virtual machine that is running our applications. It might be a code, an app, or any deployment models, and also uh, end-to-end service models, etc., which run on this. Lambda, it allows to run the code without managing the servers, which is basically used for event driven applications, like for example, any use case of AI that you use, you can use Lambda. Then for EC2, it's basically ECS is basically it is very much simplified for deployment and also scaling, and it is uh, containerized for applications. So now we have the storage services, which are basically used to manage your application storage, like for example, a user's database or customer's database or number of orders, tickets that are need to be raised, the tickets booking, all these things need to be stored in a place in the form of database which the AWS provides. The first one is S3, that is simple storage service, which is basically highly durable and scalable object services, which can store various things like images, videos and backups, which is one of the cost-effective solution for a wide range of use cases. It is very cheap and useful. Then Elastic Block Store, that is EBS. It is basically it stores various application applications that require higher performance and durability. Storage things is stored with the in the AWS. So next we have database services. The first one that the AWS provide is a relational database, then it's NoSQL database and other database. In a relational databases, it basically manages databases like MySQL, Postgre, SQL, and Oracle, offering scalability and higher availability and security, which is one of the most important thing. And in NoSQL, it offers databases such as NoSQL database for higher performance, lower latency, that is faster transactions between web and the mobile applications. Other database include graph database, time series database, and in-memory database to cater various application needs. Next, the most important thing is security and networking in AWS. It offers various set of security services such as IAM, that is identity and access management, and VPC, that is virtual private cloud, and security groups to protect the applications and data. It makes sure that no other third party is capable of hacking or getting the information about your data. And AWS, it basically it includes VPC and Route S3, which provide a robust and secure foundation for connecting our applications with the users across the globe. And also it provides a security where it complies to all the best practices and certifications, which helps in building and operating uh, very much secure and cloud compliant applications. Then next we have scaling and optimization. As I told you, auto scaling based on our requirements, we can scale our data storage or virtual machines, etc. Cost optimization, as we know that it follows pay as you go, so we just need to pay based on our requirements, that how much we have used. And performance tuning, where there are various tools where we can tune our applications like CloudWatch, X-Ray, and Code Guru Profiler.